Mother's Day. Mother's Day is coming up very soon. So why not follow along and make 2 easy dishes. And these are going to be kid friendly. And let's keep up the smiling. First dish I'm going to do is chocolate chip cookies, really quick and easy. You'll need 2 bananas, 100 grams of chocolate chips, and 1 cup of gluten-free oats to make this dish. 3 ingredients only. First, peel the bananas and put them in the bowl. We've got to remember to take the ends off the banana first. Let's do it to the second banana. Next, we mash the banana using a fork. The riper the banana, the easier to mash. Now I've finished mashing the bananas, we're going to add in the other 2 ingredients. Pour in the oats and pour in the chocolate chips. Looks delicious. And mix this up. Let's roll up my cookies into balls and then flatten them out and making them roughly all the same size.
Yeah, it don't need to be 100% neat because your mum will like it because it's made with love.
I have made 7 chocolate chip cookies. There's 2 options. Either put them in the fridge overnight or need a grown-up helper to help you put them in the oven, 180 degrees C, for 10 to 15 minutes. For my second dish, I've chosen to do a smoothie. You'll need half a cup of blackberries and half a cup of blueberries. This makes a whole cup. 100 ml of coconut milk and 100 ml of water to make my delicious smoothie. I have got a can opener and my tin. Remember, I'm going to open this, but it'll be very sharp. So you'll need your grown-up helper to do this for you. All you'll need for this smoothie is a blender and your grown-up helper to help you with this. Let's pour in the ingredients. Don't worry if they spill out. I'm going to put this on a low speed first. Then I'm going to move it onto a higher speed. I have finished blending up my smoothie. Let's put it into a glass. Ready for your mum on Mother's Day and put a smile on her face. You could double this recipe and make it for yourself as well. Keep smiling. I've got my cookies out of the oven. They need cooling down for 10 minutes. And the smoothie is done as well. Let's put these cookies on a plate. Looks delicious. Here's the finished dishes, the cookies and the smoothie, ready for your mum on Mother's Day. Let's put a smile on her face. If you enjoyed watching this, why not subscribe down below on Daisy Merle.